Welcome back. Previously, you've learned how to create a new line item within DFP. In this lesson, we will be covering presets. Presets are a list of predefined sites and publishers which are put together based on which units can run on which sites. So inside the Inventory tab, under Targeting Presets, presets are created in order for us to easily allow to keep track of which sites can run on which units. You can create your own presets, which is a list of here. You would do that if you needed to duplicate a site list to make it easier for you to just load it rather than going and hand-picking site by site. But our predefined list of presets, which are set up already for every unit that can run on each placement, will always start with cargo dash. So here's a list of all of our cargo presets and all of the units which they correspond with. So while here in the Inventory tab the presets are created and edited, we won't need to spend much time in here because the presets are managed by a preset crew. So we want to come back to go to a campaign where we will load the presets into each line item. So we'll come to our test campaign. Come within our test interstitial line item which we have previously created. We will scroll down into the search criteria. This is where your preset will be loaded. So we've already done one here, so we're just going to reset it. And so you would start by typing in cargo dash. And this is an interstitial line. So here are your options for cargo interstitial presets. You have an app, a full screen, and a mobile web. This is a mobile web line item, so that's the one we will select. Once the preset is loaded, you will have all the sites that can possibly run this unit. And so you will need to cross-reference your site list in the Media Plan tab in Cargo Marketplace. So here we have an interstitial, and then you would cross-reference this site list to your preset and exit out which sites are not allowed to run. One thing to note that's kind of tricky about the presets is for our hover units. Our hover units each have two presets, a position top and a position hover. As you can see, like hover units such as your anchor and breakout, there are two presets with different position types. We will go more in depth with this in future modules, but at a high level, basically, certain sites need a certain different type of ad tag on it, which differentiates between the top and hover. So we'll have to create different line items and load different presets to make sure we're still covering all the sites that we're allowed to run on. And that is how you properly load targeting presets.